Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook sausage links. For pan frying, begin by placing your raw links into a cold, non-stick pan. This method helps the fat render slowly, creating a crispy exterior and preventing bursting. Cook them over a medium-low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, turning frequently until they are golden brown on all sides and thoroughly cooked. This ensures a beautifully even cook every time. Baking sausage in the oven offers a hands-off approach and very even cooking. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the sausage links in a single layer on a baking sheet, ideally lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Bake them for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, remembering to flip them once halfway through. This method yields perfectly cooked, juicy sausage without much effort. For a smoky flavor and those irresistible char marks, grilling is an excellent choice. Preheat your grill to a medium heat, aiming for around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the sausage links directly on the grates, turning them every few minutes to ensure even cooking. Grill for about 15 to 20 minutes until they develop a beautiful, slightly crispy exterior and are fully cooked inside. Enjoy that distinct grilled taste. Regardless of your chosen cooking method, always verify doneness with a meat thermometer. For most pork sausages, the safe internal temperature is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the link, avoiding the bone if present. Once cooked, let the sausage rest for 5 minutes before serving. This helps redistribute the juices, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Enjoy your perfectly cooked links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.